ShapeIQ's AI-powered lead scoring is a powerful tool that can streamline the lead qualification process, saving businesses valuable time and resources. To begin, take a few minutes to define your ideal customer profile, ICP, in the Manage ShapeIQ settings page. By defining an ideal customer profile, ICP, in the Manage ShapeIQ settings page, businesses can identify high-quality leads that are most likely to convert into paying customers. The ICP includes indicators such as deal value, areas of interest, activity, engagement, and demographics. Positive and negative attributes within each indicator are used to assign a score to each lead based on the likelihood of conversion. The ICP algorithm, combined with AI-powered lead scoring, then assigns a score to each lead, indicating the quality of the lead based on analysis of customer data, behaviors, habits, activity, and engagement. By prioritizing high-quality leads that are most likely to convert, sales teams can focus their time and efforts, resulting in higher conversion rates and increased revenue. Team members can also provide feedback on lead scores by voting on the quality of each lead score. This feedback is compiled into an easy-to-read report, which can be used to refine and optimize the lead scoring process. Let's see what ShapeIQ looks like on a prioritized contact management list. To take advantage of ShapeIQ's powerful lead scoring capabilities, simply pull up the ShapeIQ column on your lead list. This column will display a numeric value ranging from 0 to 100, which represents the lead score generated by our AI-powered algorithm based on your ideal customer profile and lead scoring data. If you see a green or red dot to the right of the lead score, this indicates that a representative has voted on the ShapeIQ score value. To vote on the score, simply click on the score and choose the thumbs up if you agree with the score, or thumbs down if you think the score doesn't accurately represent the lead's value. If you have enabled the setting to prompt your representative to take notes, a pop-up will appear to gather additional feedback. This feedback will be factored into the lead score and reported on the settings page. ShapeIQ empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions and improve efficiency and effectiveness, resulting in increased revenue and a stronger bottom line. With ShapeIQ, businesses can leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of customer data, including activity, engagement, and interactions as leads progress through the sales cycle. Get started with ShapeIQ today.